Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss about the topic hydrosphere, and we have the subtopic water resource or water sources, oceans, of 9th standard for the date 2nd July 2020. Clear children? We are moving to the first question now. Coming to the first question, how human life is dependent or how human life depends on oceans. I repeat the question children, how human life depends on oceans. Clear children? Coming to the answer, we are well known that the people are completely dependent upon the water bodies, especially the people who are all living nearby the oceans or rivers are completely dependent upon the water. Why? What is the reason? The first reason is about fishing. The first reason is about fishing. If we go through about the oceanic part, not only about the fishing, but also for collecting about the salt from the oceanic water. So the life of the people are completely dependent upon the ocean. Clear children? We are moving to the answer. Human beings have depended on ocean for their food. Yes, we know that many of the people are taking fishes as their regular food. Clear children? So, and livelihood from the ancient times. Oceans provided abundant food resources. What are all the food resources? Just now I said the first one is about fish and salt. Fish and salt. And the second important thing is about taking away about the fuels. What are all the fuels? Like liquid petroleum gas from the interior part of the oceanic only. Why? Because at the lower or the depth of the ocean, the land is completely smooth, and comparing to, we know well that comparing to the water bodies, ocean, the landforms is little bit above. Clear children? For example, this is about just imagine my right hand is about the oceanic part and the land is little bit above. What happens? In the sense, land is in high elevation part comparing to the ocean. Land is in high elevation part comparing to the ocean. So, to collect about the crude oil, LPG gases, clear fuels, it is somewhat easy to collect from the interior part of the ocean. Clear children? So, not only about the livelihood and also like food habits like food, fish and salt, even though to getting about the crude oil, the people or some companies are dependent upon the oceans. Clear children? We are moving to the next question. Coming to the second question, what is Panthalassa or Panthalassa? Clear children? I repeat the question, what is Panthalassa or Panthalassa? In a pictorial part, let us discuss first. Some million years ago, all the landform, as we have about the 7 major continents. Here I am going through about the rough diagram of the 7 major continents. Clear children? These continents have been separated because of the collision or because of where we call it as a continental drift or separation of the land, plate tectonics. So, when the landforms are common together, we call it as Pangaeas. We call it as Pangaeas, and the water bodies are completely known as Panthalassa or Panthalassa. The water bodies are completely known as Panthalassa or Panthalassa. Clear, children? So, million years ago, the oceans were combined together. Yes, the water is a free movement. It is completely combined. When the separation of the land has been taken, then the oceanic part is also divided. For example, Indian Ocean, as the oceanic part is below to the Indian subcontinent, we call it as a Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean between American continent and Europe and African continent. Arctic Ocean to the polar region. Antarctic to the South Pole. Clear, children? And Pacific to the west of American continent. As the land has been separated, at the same time the oceanic part also separated. So million years ago, when the oceanic part is common together, we call it as Panthalassa or Panthalassa. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the third one. Why living creatures are reduced in ocean in recent times? Why living creatures are reduced in the oceans in recent times. I repeat the question, children. Why living creatures are reduced in the oceans in recent times? Yes, children, we ourselves won't know about the answer clearly. Why? What is the answer here? Because of dumping of the wastage into the oceans or dumping about the wastage in the water bodies, it is going to affect the life of the living organisms which are dependent upon the ocean. Here I am taking a small example which is related to the 10th standard, but it is taken as an example. A book has been written named as Silent Spring. Just I am taking an example of a silent spring here. So what is the major reason for writing about the silent spring, which was written by or wrote by Rachel Carson, the editor, the writer. Here in the book, she clearly explained that because of usage of more fertilizers and pesticides in agricultural lands, the fertilizers and the pesticides are going to mix with the water, and the flow of water is going to be entered into the rivers, and again that water is going to contaminate the exterior part of the fishes, and unknowingly we are eating about such type of fishes. Even we, and at the same time birds, are facing unknown diseases. So here the wastage or more usage of the fertilizers and the pesticides are going to harm about the lives of us. So coming to the answer, children. Coming to the answer, many large fishes like whales and other aqua animals have been disappearing. Oceans have also become dumping ground. The major reason is about dumping ground. What we are dumping? We are dumping about the wastage. And we are not at all protecting about our natural resources. That is also another reason for the decline of the water, either in the oceanic part or in the rivers. Clear, children? Especially in the Peninsula Plateau. Clear, children? So this is the answer. The main reason is about dumping the wastage into the water. Clear? Into the water. Where we are dumping those things? In the oceans. For example, the wastage from the industries or from the factories are completely dumped into the interior part of the earth. At the same time, in some parts of the area, we can find the wastage are completely mixing with the rivers. What happens? Those water is again going to mix with the major oceans. For example, in our country, if we take an example of our country, the majority of the rivers are mixing with Bay of Bengal and few rivers are mixing with Arabian Sea. Just imagine if the contaminated water is going to mix with the oceans, what about the lives of the living things which are dependent upon the ocean? Not only about the human beings but also about the fishes, whales and etc. Some aqua animals. Clear children? I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.